Going to be starting a little series of applying to law school from step one all the way to the end of sending out those applications. So yeah, that's going to be completely separate, and also the process of applying to law school, also about creating your LSAC account, and you also have some bonus clips in the end of something that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be about applying to law school. So I'm going to be starting a little series of applying to law school from step one all the way to the end of sending out those applications. So this video is going to be dedicated to the LSAC, LSAC, which is the Law School Admission Council, which is in charge of everything related to your applications and your step from becoming a candidate to actually entering into law school. So this video is going to be about creating your LSAC account, and you'll also have some bonus clips in the end of something that I think could be very useful to every law student that wants to gauge what law school they'll be able to get into and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this video.
So in your search bar, you want to go to lsac.org. When you get there, you want to go to the side drop-down bar and click on Future JD Student. Click the orange triangle to the side, then click Create an Account. This is the page that will come up and all the questions that you will be asked to create an account. So things like your social security number, where you live, ethnicity, all that good stuff, so they can get a profile for you that will be used across the board with all your law school applications. So after you have created your LSAC account, and every time you go onto the website, you would now log in under the login section, but you will still click on Future JD Student. Hit that triangle, and then you would put in your user ID and password and log in. Once you get into that login, this is going to be your dashboard where you can register for the LSAT, search for different schools, and all that good stuff. That's very useful if you're not sure of what law school that you're interested in going to. This can be helpful there. You'll see fee waivers and all that other stuff on your dash. Now, what other helpful place to go is Applying to Law Schools tab, and that'll give you a plethora of information that will be useful for you with applying to law school. Your LSAT tab will give you a lot of information about the LSAT in general. To the right bar where it says related information, that is where you'll have a separate window that gives you a lot of helpful things about the process of applying to law school or just the LSAT in general. For this one with applying to law school, a very helpful thing that I think you guys can utilize is the UGPA and LSAT Predictor. So what you would do is put in your undergraduate GPA and the LSAT score that you have. This could be your raw score that you've been studying with or your official, and it'll give you an idea of where or what school will allow you in with those scores. The white bands represent the 25th and 75th percentile for the undergraduate GPA and LSAT score that school accepted in 2016. The dark black band is your actual undergraduate GPA and LSAT score, and the two narrow bands that's on either side is the score band of your LSAT score that is represented for that school. If you hover over any one of them, you'll be able to see a synopsis, a little explanation as to what your score is compared to the entering class of 2016 for that law school.
So also, I don't intend for this video to be too long. So if you would like a video on the LSAT itself, which I think I'm going to film anyway, but if you would like a video on that, or let's talk money, how much it will really cost you to try to apply to law school, I can do a separate video on that as well. I don't want this video to extend out too long and get too boring. So yeah, that's going to be completely separate. And also the process of applying to law school, going further into it as far as what's most important, and all that other stuff, LORs, which is letter of recommendations. I'll also go into those things in separate videos. So let me know down below what you would like to see, and I'll be able to incorporate that into this applying to law school series.